welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom. I love all things cleaning, baking, cooking, and homemaking. On my channel, we do a lot of what can seem like the little mundane tasks throughout the day, but we do it with a lot of intention and a lot of joy. And on my channel, you will find a ton of cleaning motivation and a friend to help you throughout the process, because I know how difficult it can be sometimes, and we all have so many different things going on in our lives. But when you come here, I want you to feel that you have support and you have encouragement, inspiration, and motivation to get done the things that we're so lucky to be able to do. So without further ado, we are going to jump into today's video. This video is a little bit of a Mod Podge. It's kind of everything that I basically do in a day as a stay-at-home mom in terms of cleaning. And I didn't realize until I was filming this video how much I actually do the dishes between washing, loading, unloading the dishwasher. So there were some more clips that I did not include, but just know that if you're a stay-at-home mom and you look back on your days and you feel like you're kind of doing a lot of the same repetitive tasks, just know that you are not alone. So this morning I did a poll on my channel asking thoughts on Vlogmas, and I was going to film Vlogmas. I actually filmed some clips. That was the direction I was heading in, and then all of a sudden my deep cleaning roots just came out, and I was like, you know what? We're just gonna stick to cleaning motivation and voiceovers, because anything that I feel like I want to say or share, I can do in a voiceover with a cleaning video. And also, I love cleaning and I love giving motivation for people to clean. I know not always we are in the mood to get things done, but I really hope that with today's video, you get up and get it done with me, whatever that may be, whether it is the dishes or a load of laundry. I really want to encourage you to just get up and get it done with me, because you are going to feel so much better. So this week, I'm really just focusing on maintaining a clean home, keeping up with our laundry, and of course, dishes. As I mentioned earlier, the dishes are always piling up, but I'm really just trying to keep the house tidy. We do have plans this weekend. We are going away for a night, my husband and I. I'm really excited. We were thinking, and we haven't gone away, I honestly think, since maybe before my daughter was born. So it's really the little joys in life. I'm just so excited to spend quality time together. We're going to a place that we've never been to before, in an area that we've never been to. So I will be sure to tell you guys a little bit more about our trip when we get back. I'm still on the fence if I want to film and vlog this or not. I don't know. Part of me wants to really just be present and be in the moment. And then part of me is thinking it's probably going to be so cute that I want to add some clips. So we will see. Leave a comment down below if you guys would be interested in seeing a little vlog or something like that, or if you'd prefer to hear about it in a video. You guys are always so great in my comment section. You guys are the best. I actually had somebody that commented so sweet, and she left a really nice comment, and congratulations if you're reading this. I missed your name, but you had mentioned that you just got married and it's your first Christmas in Switzerland, and also that you've picked up crocheting, which is incredible. I'm almost positive, I don't know at what point, or if I think I'm going to show it here. My sister crocheted a little, not like an earmuff, it's not a hat. What do you call those? It's basically to cover your ears in the winter. She crocheted it for my daughter. I am going to show it to you guys very soon. And it was just so funny and ironic, because someone in my comments had mentioned that they had either just picked up crocheting, or it's a new hobby. I'm actually, not that I'm looking for new hobbies, but with everything going on with my health right now, I am really trying to better manage my stress. See, look how cute this is. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm very selective about what I share with my daughter online, but imagine that on a cutie patootie 2.9-month-old. I think that's how old she is at this point. Honestly, it's crazy. But yeah, look how dirty our counter was. I think that was just from last night's dinner. Anyway, I'm getting all over the place. I really am looking into new ways, believe it or not, to really better manage my stress. Cleaning obviously helps me feel really great. I know sometimes there can be such big to-do lists, but it's also so important, you guys, to give ourselves grace. I think we live in such an upbeat world and society that we are constantly doing to the point where if we're not doing, we feel like we should be doing. Does that make sense? I feel like we're constantly like, gotta do this, gotta do that. And of course, I want to give cleaning motivation on those days when you're ready to get things done. I want to do it together. But I also want you to listen to your body, listen to your mind, take time for yourself. If you need a break and you can't get it all done today, don't worry about it, because believe it or not, the mess is still going to be there and there is time to get things done. The best part and the best thing I've always heard is that, like, if you don't get to it, like, you're going to get to it. Like, it's fine. Like, the mess is always going to be there. There's a time and a place. And sometimes if you need rest and you need to take care of your body, that is what you need to do. So I know that's a little bit contradictory because we do a lot of cleaning motivation, but we also have real life chats on my channel, you guys. And like I said, I've been going through a lot of health stuff. And right now, these past couple weeks, I've really been focusing on managing my stress. So going back to the crocheting, I feel like that would be like a really calming, peaceful hobby. Also reading a new book. Let me see if I can get the name for you guys. It's very cute. I've been taking more Epsom salt baths with like little magnesium, vitamins, trying to be more mindful about, what we're eating as a family. I have a really great recipe that I'm going to share with you guys. It's nothing crazy. It's just literally chicken, broccoli, Alfredo. But I am just trying to work on incorporating, better little habits and things into our home. And by no means is it going to be perfect. And I don't want to put pressure on myself in any way that it has to be. But my goal right now, with everything going on, and whether you do or don't have things going on medically or health-wise, and you are a stay-at-home mom, and I know the workload and everything and the mental load of being a mom can be a lot, but I just wanted to say that you are not alone. It is a lot, but it's going to be okay. And I really want you, if you're listening to this, I want you to give yourself grace. I know people say this all of the time, but coming from me, also I added, yes, I'm filling my water. So also, while you're giving yourself grace, water check. Me and my best friend do this all the time. Drinking water is so important, you guys. But I want you to be kind to yourself and listen to what your body needs and take care of your mind and your body and your soul. All of those things are so important, and they correlate. And without your health and without a healthy mind and a healthy body, things can be really difficult. So I want you to take breaks when you need them and be kind to yourself, especially during the holiday season. I am trying really hard to be so intentional and slow down this holiday season to spend quality time with my family, to really soak in everything that the holiday has to offer. Yes, there's a lot going on, and sometimes, well, all of the time in life, we're not able to really see the cards that we're going to be dealt. What I'm trying to say is, like, you have to manage the cards that you're dealt, but we don't know what we're going to get in those cards, like in that deck. And that's something that I've learned this year, but I don't want my health issues or whatever is going on, if I get a diagnosis or whatever that looks like, I don't want that to determine my life or impact my life in a negative way. I want to keep moving forward, and I want to find better ways to better live my life and live it to its fullest capacity. And I want you, if you're listening to this, to do the exact same thing. And I want us to do it together. I know that this was an extremely chatty video. The intro was a little bit different than normal and a little bit slower. But if you made it to this point of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for being here. Thank you for continuing to support me and my channel. I hope that when you are seeing this, that you have a great rest of your day. And I hope that I was able to give you some cleaning motivation and of course, some motivation to just take care of yourself in whatever capacity that looks like for the day. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.